vertical asymptotes you need to know how a graph gets a vertical asymptote, and that's when you try to divide by 0, because as you get really close to well, we can't divide by 0, but as we get close to dividing by 0, your fraction either gets really big and goes up to infinity, or really small and goes down to negative infinity. So anytime you try to divide by 0, it's going to create a vertical asymptote, unless it also makes the numerator 0, and then that's how you get a hole in the graph instead. So like, I would want to know what's going to make this divide by 0, -7. But if it also made the numerator 0, then it would be a hole instead of a vertical asymptote. So I don't know. You could try to solve this, but it doesn't look like it solves. But you could at least plug it in. -7 squared plus 3 times -7 minus 1. I don't know what that is, but it's not 0. So you would have a vertical asymptote at x equals -7. Because -7 makes only the denominator 0.
So you just set the bottom to 0. That's all you gotta do.
And you have to make sure it doesn't make the numerator 0.
What about horizontal asymptotes?
Okay, horizontal asymptotes are where you have to compare the degree of the numerator to the degree of the denominator. And 3 different things could happen. The degree of the numerator could be bigger, and then you don't have a horizontal asymptote. Degree of the denominator could be bigger, so y equals 0. And if the degrees are equal, you put y equals leading coefficient over leading coefficient. So, unless you have a different function, this one does not have a horizontal asymptote, because the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator.